Good morning, students. Today we will see theory of indices. In an exponential form, in an exponential form, a power b, in an exponential form a power b, a is called base and b is called power, or you can say index, or you can say exponent or exponent. So in an exponential form a power b, a is called the base and b is called power or index or exponent. The chapter name is indices. So plural of index is said to be indices. So either you say index or you say power or you say exponent, all represent same meaning. Let us see laws of indices. So these are some laws which you should remember. So here I am saying laws of indices. Laws of indices. The first law is a power m into a power n is equal to. You can see here base is same. Whenever base is same and product comes, powers will get added. So this we can write as a power m plus n. Second, a power m divided by a power n. So you can see here base is same, right? Division came, so powers will get subtracted. So this we can write as a power m minus n. Third law, all this we have studied in lower classes, so it is just the revision. A power m whole power n we can write as a power mn will get multiplied. So this I can say a power mn. Fourth law, a power m divided by b power m we can write as, you can see here power is same. If power is same, we can write this as a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m. So these are four laws. Next, a power m into b power m. So you can see here power is same, product came. So this we can write as ab whole power m. Next, a power minus n we can write as, whenever minus comes, reciprocal will come, 1 divided by this I can say a power n. So a power minus n we can write as 1 by a power n. Next, a power m is equal to b power m. You can see here power is same and equal sign came. So whenever power is same and equal sign comes, then we can equate the base. So this we can write as a is equal to b. Next, a power m is equal to a power n. You can see here base is same, so we can equate powers. So when you equate powers, you will get m is equal to n. Next, nth root of a. Nth root of a we can write as a power. What is the power of a here? 1. So nth root of a we can write as a power is 1 here, 1 by n. So these are some laws of indices. Let us see some more are there. Next, 10th one. Root A into root B. So root A into root B, we can take one root and this we can write as root over AB. Next, root A divided by root B, we can write as, again since root came, so we can write as whole root of A divided by B. And one more law is there, A power 0 is always equal to 1, where A is finite number except 0. That means 10 to the power 0, answer is 1. Minus 100 to the power 0, answer is 1. So keep in mind that A cannot be equal to 0. So A power 0 is equal to 1, where A is finite number except 0. So these are some laws of indices, and plural of index or power is said to be indices. Let us see questions which are based on these laws. So let us see some questions. This is question here is find x if 27 to the power 8.2 into 3 power x is equal to 27 to the power 10. So we have to find the value of x for which left hand side is equal to right hand side. See the solution here. Here 3 is here. 27 can we break and can we write in terms of 3? So 27 we can write as 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is nothing but 27. So 3 power 3, this I can say 8.2 into 3 power x is equal to, this 27 we can write as 3 power 3 and whole power, this we can say 10. Now this we can write as 3 power. Yes. One more law is there which I did not write. I think that is, just to make a note of that. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m n. Please make a note of this law also. A power m n is equal to a power m n. Right? So we are making use of this law in solving this question. So 3 into 8.2. So 3 means what? 6 will come, and this I can say 3 8s are, I can say 24. Into 3 power x is equal to 3 power. 3 into 10 we can write as 30. Now you can see here, one of the law is base is same, product came. So what should we do? We have to add the powers. So add the powers. So 3 power 24.6 plus x is equal to 3 power 30. Again one law is there. Base is same and equal sign comes. We have to equate the powers. So this we can write as 24.6 plus x is equal to 30. Now solve this. So this we can write as what? X is equal to 30 minus 24.6. So answer of this is, I think it is 5.4. So answer of this question is 5.4. You can cross check also. Put 5.4 in place of x. You will see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is it clear? Let us see next question. Next question is, if a by b whole power x minus 1 is equal to b by a whole power x minus 3, then the value of x is, now see here. So you can see here a by b is here, b by a is here. So what I am doing, this I can say a by b whole power x minus 1 is equal to, in place of b by a, I want a by b. So I want to take reciprocal. So there is one property, a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Yes or no? So whenever you want to take reciprocal, so we can write a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. So this I can write as, tell me, here I can say I am taking the reciprocal a by b, but minus sign will come here. So minus of this I can say x minus 3. Now this I can write as, now see here, you can see here base is same. If base is same and equal sign comes, we can equate the powers. So equate x minus 1 is equal to minus of x minus 3. Now this minus term I am shifting this side. So x minus 1 plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Finally I can say x plus x, 2x is equal to minus 1 minus 3 will go to the side, it will become 4. Or finally I can say x is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Let us see next question. Next question is, the value of x to the power a into b minus c into x to the power b into c minus a into x to the power c into a minus b. The value of this is equal to what? This is the question. We have to just identify which law we have to apply. Now see the solution here. This we can write as, you can see here product came and base is same. So whenever base is same and product comes, I think first law we have to add the powers. So I am applying the first law. So according to the first law we have to add the powers. So b minus c, right, plus here I can say what, b into c minus a plus c into a minus b. So what is that property? Property is what? A power m into a power n, we can write as a power m plus n. So this law I am applying to find the solution of this. So this we can write as what? X. Now multiply. So what you will get? AB minus AC. Multiply this. BC minus BA plus multiply this CA minus CB. Now you can see here AB cancel, AC cancel, BC cancel. So x to the power. So what is in power? 0. And x to the power 0 is equal to what? 1. So answer of this question is 1. Let us see one more question. Here question is, find the value of 10 to the power n minus 4 power n divided by 5 power n minus 2 power n. So we have to find the value of this. Now look here, very simple. This 10 can be write as 2 power n into 5 power n. One of the law, if power is same, product comes, then we can write this as 10 to the, so 10 to the power n we can write as 2 power n into 5 power n minus 4 power n we can write as 2 power n into 2 power n divided by this, I can say 5 power n minus 2 power n. Now something we can take common. So 2 power n is here, 2 power n is here. So we can take 2 power n common. What you will get here? 5 power n minus 2 power n divided by this, we can write as 5 power n minus 2 power n. You can see here both will get cancelled. So answer of this question is 2 power n. Which law we are using here is, there is one law, a power m into b power m we can write as ab whole power m. So make use of this law, we will get the required solution. The next question is, find the values of a and b if x to the power a square is equal to x to the power 4 to b and root x to the power a is equal to x to the power 3 divided by x to the power b. We have to find the values of a and b. Let us see. Now you can see here, by using the law, this we can write as what? This we can write as x to the power 2a is equal to, so 4 you multiplied here, so x to the power 4 to the, you can say 8b. Just now I told you this law. Now you can see here, our base is same and equal sign came, we have to equate the power. So equate 2a is equal to 8b, or I can say a is nothing but 4b. So we got value of a as 4b. Now simplify this. Now if you see one of the law, root x, so what is the power here? Power is 2. This we can write as x to the power a by 2 is equal to. Now you can see here, base is same, division came, so powers will get subtracted. So x to the power 3 minus b. Now you can see here, base is same, equal sign came, we can equate the power. So a by 2 is equal to 3 minus b, or this we can write as, tell me, what is a value? 4b. So 4b by 2 is equal to 3 minus b. Now 2 means 2, so 2b plus b. So what you will get is 3b is equal to 3. Now 3 cancel, what you will get is b equal to 1. So put this value of b in this. So tell me, what is the value of a? So a value is nothing but, here I can say 4. So a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 1. You have to identify the form of question and you have to apply the appropriate laws of indices. Let us see the next question. So the next question is, find the value of 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power b minus a plus x to the power c minus a plus 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus x to the power c minus b plus 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power b minus c plus x to the power a minus c. So we have to find the value of this. Now look here. So this we can write as 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power b minus a. We can write as what? Can we write this as x to the power b divided by x to the power a? I think second law, if base is same and division comes, powers will get subtracted. So x to the power b divided by x to the power a, we can write as x to the power b minus a. Similarly, this we can write as what? X to the power c divided by x to the power a. Plus, tell me this. So 1 by 1 plus x to the power a minus b, we can write as x to the power a divided by x to the power b, plus this we can write as x to the power c divided by x to the power b, plus 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power b minus c, we can write as x to the power b by x to the power c, plus this we can write as x to the power a divided by x to the power c. So I am applying one of the laws of indices. Now take LCM. Take LCM. So when you take LCM, what you will get? So after taking LCM, so take 1 by, tell me, x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c divided by x to the power a will come. Take LCM here. So LCM is x to the power b. So 1 divided by, what you will get? X to the power b plus x to the power a plus x to the power c divided by x to the power b. I think this clear. Plus 1 divided by, so what is the LCM here? LCM is x to the power c. So take x to the power c plus x to the power b plus x to the power a divided by x to the power c. Now you can see here, denominator will go up. So denominator send so up. So x to the power a divided by x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c, plus again denominator will go up, x to the power b divided by, this we can write as what? X to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c, plus again denominator will go up. So x to the power c divided by x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. Now you can see here, denominator is same for all. So we can take LCM. And what is the LCM of this? X to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. So let us take LCM. So when you take LCM, what you will get is x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. So take LCM. So x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. Now you can see here, this and this will get cancelled. So answer of this question is 1. So what law we applied here is a power m divided by a power n, we can write as a power m minus n. So identify the form of question and apply the appropriate laws of indices. Next question, let us see. So next question is, if 3 power x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 27 to the power x plus 2, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Now look here. So what is the question here is 3 power x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to. Now see here, this 27 can be write as 3 cube. Yes or no? So 27 we can write as 3 cube, and this I can say x plus 2. Or this we can write as 3 power x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to one of the law a power m n. We can write as a power m n. So 3 power multiply. So 3x plus 6. Now you can see here base is same, equal sign came. So we can equate the powers. Equate x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 3x plus 6. Solve. This we can say x square, 3x will come this side. So what you will get 2x, 6 will come this side, minus 12 is equal to 0. I think factorization is not possible. So what is a here? A is nothing but coefficient of x square. What is b? Coefficient of x, which is 2. And c is nothing but minus 12. So this is quadratic equation, and quadratic equation gives how many roots? 2 roots. So let us apply the formula. So here I can say roots are, so what is the formula to find roots? X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2e. So apply. X is equal to, what is minus b? So minus 2 plus minus b square. So what is b square? 4 minus 4ac. I think plus will come 48 divided by 2a is 2. Or this I can say x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 52. 52 we can write as, I think 2 2s are 4. Here I can say 13 by 2. Now you can see here 2, 2, 2 cancel. So answer of this question is x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 13. So this is the required solution. The next question is, if square root of 16 by 25 whole power 4x minus 9 cube is equal to 64 by 125, then find the value of x. Now see the solution of this. Root 16. What is root 16? Root 16 is nothing but, I can say 4. Root 25 is nothing but, we can say 5. Is it clear? Now this I can say 4x minus 9 cube is equal to, this I can say 64. Now 64 we can write as 4 cube divided by 125, we can write as 5 cube. Now apply the law of indices. So a power m n we can write as a power m n. So this we can write as 4 by 5 whole power multiply. So what you will get? 4x minus 9 into 3 is equal to, this I can say 4 by 5 whole power 3. A power m divided by b power m we can write as a by b whole power m. Now you can see here base is same, equal sign came. So we can equate the powers. Now equate the power. So 4x minus 9 into 3 is equal to, here I can say 3. Now you can see 3, 3 cancel. So this we can write as 4x minus 9 is equal to 1. This minus 9 I am shifting to other side. So what you will get is, so 4x is equal to 1 plus 9 is 10, or this I can say x is nothing but 5 by 2. So this is the required solution. Next question, let us see. The next question is, find the value of 5 power n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 power n plus 1 whole divided by 9 into 5 power n minus 5 power n into 2 square. So we have to find the value of this. Now look here. So this we can write as, I think a power m plus n we can write as a power m into a power n. First law. So this we can break and we can write as 5 power n into 5 power 3 minus 6 into this we can break and we can write as 5 power n into 5 power 1 whole divided by. Now this we can say 9 into 5 power n minus 5 power n into what is 2 square? 4. Now anything common we can take. 5 power n is here, 5 power n is here. So we can take 5 power n common. Take common. So 5 cube is nothing but 125 minus 6 into 5 is 30 divided by, I think 5 power n we can take common here. So when you take common, what you will get? 9 minus 4. Now solve. 5 power n cancel. So 125 minus 30 is nothing but 95 divided by 5. So both will get cancelled and answer of this question is what? 90. So whatever questions we have done till now, just apply the appropriate laws of indices. I think this is clear. Let us see the next question. The next question is find the value of 3x square whole power minus 3 into x to the power 9 whole power, this I can say 2 by 3. Find the value of this. Now look here. Now there is one result. What is that result? A power minus n we can write as 1 divided by a power n. This is one of the result. A power minus n we can write as 1 divided by a power n. So this term we can write as what? So this we can write as 1 divided by 3x square cube is this I can say into. Now see here, I think both will get cancelled. So what you will get? 3. So this I can say x to the power 3 into 2 is 6. Now solve this. So 1 by 3 cube. 3 cube is 27 and 2 into 3 6. So x to the power 6 into here I can say x to the power 6. So x to the power 6 cancel. What is the answer? So answer of this question is 1 divided by 27. Let us see next question. Next question is if 5 power 2x minus 2 is equal to 625, then find the value of x. Very simple question. If 5 power 2x minus 2 is equal to 625, then find the value of x. Now this we can write as what? 5 power 2x minus 2 is equal to 625 in terms of 5 can be write as 5 5s are 25 and 25. So this we can write as 5 power 4. Now you can see here base is same, equal sign came. So we can equate the power. So equate power, what you will get? 2x minus 2 is equal to 4. Minus 2 I am shifting the sign. So what you will get? 2x is equal to 6, or finally we can say x is equal to 3. So you can cross check your answer by putting this value here. So you will find that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Let us see one more question. Next question is simplify. Simplify 3 power minus 2 into 81 to the power 3 by 4 whole divided by 729 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now look here. This we can write as 3 power minus 2 I am writing as it is into this 81 can be write as 3 power 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. And this I can say 3 by 4 divided by this I can say 729 can be write in terms of 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 into 27 is 729. So I can say 3 power 6 is 729. This is minus 1 by 3. Now you can see 4, 4 cancel, 3, this also cancel. So finally what you will get? 3 power minus 2 into 3 power 3 divided by 3 power minus 2. Now see here. 3 power minus 2. Now you can see here base is same, product came, powers will get added. 3 power minus 2 plus 3 divided by, yes, this I can say 3 power minus 2, or this I can say 3 power, this is nothing but 1 divided by 3 power minus 2. So make use of law of indices. So what you will get is 3 power. So base is same, powers will get subtracted, 1 minus of minus 2. So answer is 3, 1 plus 2, 3. So 3 power 3, answer of this question is 27. So this is the required solution. Let us see one more question. Question is, if 3 power x minus y is equal to 27 and 3 power x plus y is equal to 243, then x is equal to what? This is the question. So we have to find the values of x. Now see. So what is given? 3 power x minus y is equal to 27. 27 we can write as 3 cube, right? And 3 power x plus y is equal to 243. In terms of 3 we can write as 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 81, I think 3 power 5. So 3 power 5 is nothing but 243. Now you can see here base is same, so powers we have to equate. So x minus y is equal to 3, and here also base is same, equate the power. So x plus 1 is equal to 5. Question is find the values of x. So add this. So when you add, what you will get? You will get, tell me. So y will get cancelled. 2x is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8, or I can say x is equal to 4. So this is the required solution. The next question is, if m and n are whole numbers such that m power n is 129, then the value of m minus 1 to the power n plus 1 is what? That is the question. Now see here. M power n is equal to 121. So can you tell me m and n takes what value? So can I say that we know that 11 square is equal to, I can say, 121. So if you compare this and this, so can you tell me what is m here? M is nothing but, I can say, 11, and n is nothing but 2. So these values of m and n I am keeping here. So tell me what is m? 11 minus 1 and n. N is 2 plus 1. So answer of 11 minus 1 is 10 to the power 3, and 10 to the power 3 is nothing but 1000. So very, very simple question. Let us see one more question. The next question is, if 5 power x plus 1 is equal to 25 to the power x minus 2, then find the value of 3 power x minus 3 into 2 power 3 minus x. So we have to find the value of this. Again look here, very simple question. Now look here. Now this we can write as what? So 5 we cannot break, so I am writing as it is. 5 to the power x plus 1 is equal to this 25 we can break and we can write as 5 square. So this I can say 5 square and here I can say x minus 2. So a power mn we can write as a power mn. So make use of that law. So what you will get? So 5 power x plus 1 is equal to 5 power multiply 2x minus 4. Now you can see here base is same, equal sign came, we can equate the power, equate. X plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 4. Now this x I am shifting this side. So what you will get? X is equal to this minus 4 will come here, I can say 5. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 5. But question is what? Find the value of this. Now put the values. So 3 power, what is x? 5 minus 3. 2 power 3 minus 5. Calculate. 5 minus 3 is 2 into 2 power 3 minus 5 is nothing but minus 2. So tell me. So 3 square is nothing but 9 into 2 power minus 2 we can write as 1 by 2 square. So answer of this question is 9 divided by 4. So just identify appropriate law of indices. Let us see next question. Next question is solve for x. Solve for x. 4 power x minus 1 into 0.5 3 minus 2x is equal to 1 by 8 whole power, it is minus x. So we have to find the value of x. Again look here. Now 4 we can break and we can write as 2 square. So this 4 we can write as what? 2 square and here I can say whole x minus 1 into 0.5 in terms of 2 I can write as 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So 3 minus 2x is equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 8 we can write as 1 by 2, or can I say 1 by 8 can be write as 2 to the power minus 3 and this I can say minus 6, or this we can write as 2 power. So a power mn we can write as a power mn multiply. So what you will get? 2x minus 2 into 1 by 2 we can write as 2 power minus 1. Here I can say 3 minus 2x is equal to, now multiply 2 power, this we can write as 3x, or can we write this as 2 power 2x minus 2 into minus 1 multiply inside. So 2 power, what you will get? Minus 3 plus 2x is equal to 2 power 3x. Now you can see product, base is same, powers will get added. So add, so 2 power 2x minus 2 minus 3 plus 2x is equal to 2 power 3x. Again you can see here base is same, so powers we have to add. So add 2x plus 2x, 4x minus 5 is equal to 3x. So 3x I am shifting here. So finally what you will get? X is equal to 5. So this is the required solution. So identify the form of laws of indices. Let us see one more question. Next question is solve. Root 3 to the power x minus 3 is equal to fourth root of 3 to the power x plus 1. So we have to find the value of x. Now see here. There is one result a power, or I can say nth root of a is equal to a power 1 by n. One of the law of indices. Nth root of a we can write as a power 1 by n. So I am making use of this law. So this we can write as what? Tell me. This we can write as what? So this I can say 3x minus 3, and this is square root. So I can say by 2 will come. Is equal to. Now this we can write as what? 3 power x plus 1 divided by 4. So make use of this law. Now you can see here base is same and equal sign came. So we can equate power. So x minus 3 by 2 is equal to x plus 1 by 4. Now 2 cancel. Now cross multiply. What you will get? 2x minus 6 is equal to x plus 1. Or finally I can say x will come this side. So x is equal to minus 6 will go that side. So x is equal to 7. So this is the required solution. Is it clear? Let us see one more question. Next question is solve for x. Solve for x. And first bit is 2 power 5x minus 1 is equal to 4 into 2 power 3x plus 1. Let us see this bit. Now this we can write as what? This we can write as 2 power 5x minus 1 is equal to 4. I am writing as it is only, or 4. Can we write 4 as 2 square? So 2 square we can write. So 2 square is 4 into 2 power 3x plus 1. Or this we can write as 2 power 5x minus 1 is equal to. You can see here base is same, product came. So powers will get added. So powers will get added means what? 2 plus 3x plus 1. Now you can see here base is same and equal sign came. So we have to equate the power. So equate the power. 5x minus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 3x. Or finally I can say 3x I am shifting here. So 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to, and this minus 1 I am shifting here, you will get 4. Or finally I can say x is equal to 2. So this is the required solution. Let us see one more bit. This is second bit, and question here is solve for x. 49 to the power x plus 4 is equal to 7 square into 343 to the power x plus 1. Now look here. Again same type only. This 49 we can write as what? Because here 7 is there. So 49 we can write as 7 square to the power x plus 4 is equal to 7 square into 343. So 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are. So I can say 7 to the power 3. Here I can say x plus 1. Now this we can write as 7 to the power a power mn, we can write as a power mn. So apply that law. So multiply 2x plus 8 is equal to. Now you can see here base is same, product came. So powers will get added. So 7 to the power 2 plus powers will get added, multiply. So 3x plus 3. Now you can see here base is same and equal sign came. So powers we can equate. So 2x plus 8 is equal to 3x plus 5. Or finally this 2x I am shifting this side. What you will get? X is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. So x is equal to 3. So in today's class we have seen, okay, what is index. Okay, plural of index or power is said to be indices, and we have seen approximately 12 laws of indices. Whatever questions we have seen in today's class, okay, just identify the form of question and apply the appropriate laws of indices. It will continue next time.